Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy sales strategies with Notion easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Notion and create a new page. Name the page Sales Strategies. Select a suitable icon for your page that represents sales. Add a brief description of your sales strategies for context. Create a table database by selecting Table from the block menu. In the first column, label it Strategy. In the second column, label it Objective. Add a third column title. For each strategy, define the objective that it aims to achieve. Set realistic deadlines for each strategy to keep your team accountable. Utilize the status column to monitor progress by marking strategies as not started, in progress, or completed. Next, select Linked Database from the block menu and connect it to your original table. Utilize filters to display only the strategies that are currently in progress. This will help keep team focus on ongoing tasks. Integrate a calendar view to visualize deadlines. Add a new view, selecting Calendar from the options. Ensure each strategy appears on the calendar according to its deadline. Consider adding a checklist for individual tasks under each strategy. Create a new page for each strategy and include a checklist within it. This allows for more detailed planning and execution. Encourage team collaboration by inviting members to the Notion page. Share the page link and grant permissions for editing. Set regular check-ins to discuss progress on the strategies. Use Notion's comment feature for team discussions on each strategy. Continuously review and adjust strategies based on performance and feedback. Explore Notion's template gallery for additional resources. Utilize templates that suit your sales process for efficiency. With these steps, you'll streamline your sales strategies using Notion effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.